What's up with it, Locked In Film? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 12, man. It's been 12 weeks since I started my beard journey, and this is what we're looking like, you know what I'm saying? Let's go and get into it all around. This is what we're looking like, you know what I'm saying? Not much has changed from week 11, you know what I mean? But I'm about to up the scale. I might increase to, 10% just to see. And you all right? He over here up chucking something. You good, Titus? Look at Cuddy in the background laying like a lion. Anyway, fam, yes, I'm about to upgrade to 10%, and I might start trying the derma roll at the same time as the Minoxidil. Now, I know a lot of people have said don't mix the two in the same day, wait 24 hours after using the derma roller, but I've also heard the other way around, you feel me? I've also heard people say that they've done that and it didn't affect them and they noticed faster results. So hey, we'll see, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all know, but this is what your boy working with. Mustache, soul patch, this is what I really need to start growing right here on the cheeks. It's on there, but you know what I'm saying? When you look at me like this, you can see it. You can see how the hair is standing out or whatever, but I need some more action. I need some more action, you know what I mean? So comment down below if you're further along at the same week, if you're further along than I am. Let me know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying, to increase it. Now, I know genetics play a lot into it. Yes, I know that whole shebang, you feel me? So you ain't got to say all that. But, let me know something. I might not be doing something to speed up the process. Now, I know I said I'm not really rushing, and I'm really not. I'm in it for the long haul. I work from home, you know what I'm saying? I'm my own boss, so I ain't really rushing. I can stay in the house and, wolf it out, you feel me, and look like this, and only go out when I have to, you know what I'm saying, or go to the gym, but I go like late at night, so not too many people is witnessing the wolf game right now. But hey, if you got anything that can help me out other than 10% minoxidil and derma rolling on top of minoxidil in the same day, let me know down below in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Everything is appreciated. It don't matter if you male or female, because we're talking about hair, you know what I'm saying? Hair that grow on your face, yes, but it's still hair. So you might know some growth tips. I've been using Jamaican black castor oil. I've been, washing my face, exfoliating, doing all that stuff. So let me know. Let your boy know. You feel me, fam? But yeah, that's pretty much it on the update of the beard. Other updates with the fam. Yes, I had my little man, Lowen Creed, came into the world June 17th, you know what I mean? So now we a house of 5. Yes, I have 3 kids. So that's 5 people, me, my wife, and my 3 kids, including them 2 right there. That's Titus and that's Cuddy Daniels, you feel me? Hey, we out here thugging it. But real talk, comment down below how y'all like the gains, you know what I'm saying? And this is coming from complete baby face. Like, I wasn't able to grow any of this right here. I didn't really have a whole bunch of hair under my neck or anything. I still got a few weak spots like here, right here, down here, you know what I'm saying, down here. I got a few weak spots to work on, but hey, with this minoxidil, with derma rolling, black castor oil, all that stuff, keeping my face clean because I go to the gym and I like to sweat, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to sweat, but that's just a part of it, you feel me? And just got to keep my stuff clean, but all of that I'm doing and staying consistent. Minoxidil twice every day, you know what I'm saying? Derma roll twice every week, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I do Tuesdays and Fridays, and today is Friday, but when you watching this, it's gonna be Saturday. So yes, you know what I mean? I'm doing my thing. I'm doing my thug thistle. But anyways, fam, that is it for this video. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for rocking with your boy. Make sure y'all like this video and hey, subscribe. And if you are on your journey, come on and subscribe. Join Locked In with Trey. I got many more videos of different stuff. If y'all like Can-Am records, you already know I got that unlocked. You know what I'm saying? But hey, if you're starting a journey of any kind, whether it's dreadlocks, beards, whatever, you know what I'm saying, come on and subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna get over here, you know what I mean? So you might as well join. If this is your 3rd time watching a video from me and you ain't subscribed yet, hey, go on and hit that button and we locked in, you feel me? But hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.